So design thinking is a framework for problem solving, but it basically takes you through empathize, so you make a connection with either your customer or the problem you're going to solve. Then you move on to define, so you define that problem, find out all the information and details. The third step is ideate, it's like in the imagination stage, so you brainstorm at possible solutions. Then we move into prototype, and so prototype is we make some kind of like physical or digital model of what we're going to do. If possible, you want to move through different iterations of that prototype, and we do that through the last step, which is test. So you test what you have created. It's not always just a linear process, it's very cyclical and you're jumping from one step to the other, but you teach kids to move through that process to solve problems.